Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Pinterest. So in here, I'm going to show you the mobile version of Pinterest. Let's open the app first. If you haven't have the app, you can download it first on the App Store or the Google Play Store. And here, this is the homepage of the Pinterest. In Pinterest, you can find lots of pictures that you can use or save to your phone. You can use it as wallpaper, you can use it as a collection or something. So if you want to search for a certain category or a certain picture, you can just click on the search column in here and then just type in the keywords. For example, I'm going to just type uh aesthetic wallpaper, for example. Okay, so in here you can find lots of category lots of ideas and lots of pictures that you can also save to your phone. Here, if you want to upload something, you can just click on the plus icon at the bottom. Here you can create a pin, you can create a collage or board. For example, I'm going to just create a pin, and here you can just upload a picture, and here you can also interact with other user on Pinterest by clicking on this. For example, here you can find a specific account or user, and then you can comment on their picture or something. If you want to edit your profile, you can click on this people icon, and here you can see your board and also your pins or your pictures collection. You can see here in here. And if you want to download an image or a picture to your gallery, you can just tap on the picture that you want to save. Here at the top there will be the three dots icon, and this is the options to download the image. So just tap on this and the image will be downloaded to your gallery. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.